Hello, in this video I want to show you how to preheat extruder for further cleaning on a BIQU 3D printer. To do this we'll need to open our settings, menu, sorry. Here we have heat and fan and we want to select preheat. Now you need to choose which material you'll be cleaning your extruder from, and in this case let's go for, I guess, PLA. Your extruder should turn on LED lamps, and that means it's preheating right now. When it's done, we'll be able to remove a filament or any other material that you're using. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.